This video demonstrates how to create, view, and edit pastoral notes within Teacher Toolkit where the teacher wishes to impose a suspension or withdrawal for the student or students involved. Students are suspended or withdrawn via a pastoral note action. Notes can be created from several areas of Teacher Toolkit, but for this example, we will use the Create Note icon in the top toolbar. Click on Add Students and search for the student concerned. Select the correct students from the search results and click back. The student is now added to the note. Further students can be added by repeating the process. Select the type of pastoral note from the drop-down list available. The date and time fields will default to today's date and time but can be changed if needed. A location can be selected if required. The category, subcategory if one exists, and the description fields are mandatory and must be completed. Files can also be attached if required by browsing to the file location and inserting the file. At this stage, the note can be created by clicking on Create, but to create a withdrawal, click on More Options. Additional fields of intervention level, review required, and review completed will display. The two review fields are for the teacher creating the note so that they can follow up on their note if required. Entering any of these three fields is optional, but if entered, the note will display as a task for the teacher on the review required date. And once the teacher opens the note, the review completed box can be ticked and the task will be completed. Select the withdrawal option in the Actions section and complete the details as required. The withdrawal can be viewed in the student's record on the Attendance tab and as a note. It will also be visible in the Mark Attendance screen and the class list for the sessions from which the student has been withdrawn, displaying the attendance code for withdrawals. Suspensions are created in the same way. Create a note for the student as before and enter the behavior details. Click on More Options and select Suspension. Enter the details of the suspension and click Create at the top right of the screen to save. The suspension can be viewed in the student's record on the Attendance tab and as a note. It will also be visible in the Mark Attendance screen and the class list for the sessions from which the student has been withdrawn, displaying the attendance code for suspensions.